What's up guys, today we're gonna show you what a server is and which component you need to build it. So, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
A computer server is a computing device, hardware and software, that provides service to one or more clients, sometimes thousands. Servers are used for file sharing, printer sharing, email, World Wide Web, database, application, games, and proxies. The hardware components, whose characteristics have an effect on the speed of the server, are the network interface, hard disk, bus, memory, as well as the computing power of the processor. The throughput of the server will never be higher than that of the weakest component. Average server downtimes varies between 46 minutes and 10 hours per year.
To create a server, you'll need several components, which you usually find in a computer. First of all, the motherboard, which accommodates all the components in the server. It also manages everything. Then comes the CPU, right there. CPU is an acronym of Central Processing Units. It's like the brain of the server. After that comes the RAM. RAM is an acronym of Random Access Memory. It's used when you need to store quickly some data, and it's erased when the server turns off. Some fans are used to cool the server. And finally, some hard drives are required to store data. Sometimes you'll need a graphic card too, if the CPU or the motherboard don't have one. Now let's build everything in the computer's case. conclusion, a server allows you to store a large amount of data locally or with an internet connection to share it worldwide. It allows you to run programs without a user interface. It must be a console interface. For the price, it depends. It can range from 50 euros for a Raspberry Pi to several thousand euros, depending on the need. The CPU is probably the most expensive component. Its price can go up to 5,000 euros. In conclusion, a server is very adaptable and its price is depending on your needs.
Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.